The centre has written to states advising them to allow construction activities in power projects outside municipal limits during the lockdown. The advisory comes following Ministry of Home Affairs guidelines on exempted activities under the extended lockdown till 3rd May. The power sector has been drilling under stress since the lockdown in a dip of 30% in demand due to the absence of commercial activity in the week of lockdown. The centre has also directed Coal India Limited to produce 710 million tons of coal, as the company's coal offtake target will also remain at 710 million tons of this fiscal year. Union Minister for Coal Prahlad Joshi held a meeting to set the performance targets for the state-run company, keeping in mind the roadmap for a post-lockdown scenario, officials said. The demand for coal will pick up again after the coronavirus lockdown, so I've directed the CIL to keep the production and off-take targets to 710 million tons for financial year 2020-21, in line with its goal to achieve 1 billion ton coal production by year 2023 to 24, Prahlad Joshi added. Railway's freight loading for coal, one of its prime commodities, has dipped since the lockdown. Its earnings for coal and coke dipped by 48.25% since the lockdown. In a letter written to the states, union territories, district magistrates, and police authorities, the Power Ministry said, as per MHS guidelines, construction of all kinds of industrial projects in rural areas, that is outside the limits of municipal corporations and municipalities, have been allowed to be carried out with the effect from 20th April. This is also applicable for ongoing construction activities in thermal or hydropower generation projects outside the limits of urban local bodies.